Good evening, team. Today we have a webinar on Insta Loans, which was we have a referral tie-up with Rupee Boss and Landmark Insurance Brokers. So from their team, we have Mr. Asad. Welcome, Asad, and Bhupender Sethi, where everybody knows her as Simi. So Mr. Asad is the vice president and he handles the loan section, the whole department of loans from Landmark Insurance and Rupee Boss. So welcome team, and over to you, Asad, and let's start.
Yeah. Thank you, Trupti, for this very nice introduction. My name is Asad Askari. I am part of the Rupee Boss Financial Services team based in Mumbai. I sit at Kanakya Zillion and I report to Mr. P.N. Shetty. Now, Simi Shetty, who is part of my team, is the person to go towards. She is my go-to person also, where she will help you, guide you, coach you also at times on live cases. What we'll discuss today basically is about personal loans, business loans, and home loans. In terms of what are the criteria, general criteria in the market acceptable, what are kind of customers you can fund, and the documentation required. Okay, the documentation is such that every bank may have its own norms. A few documents here and the extra required. So what we kind of put together basically are what are the general documents required. A banker may say मेरे को additional document ये भी चाहिए है, which we have to provide to the banker or the finance company as the case may be. So we will start the presentation. Simi, anything that you like to also talk about, Simi, before we start the presentation?
Yeah, Rupee Boss presentation. Yes, it's
going to be very simple, nothing very high flying, because we are all business people. हमको basic business चाहिए है. I mean, that's where you as an individual will grow and will learn and will earn. And Trupti will be very happy. So will be Simi Sethi, so will be Sandeep, me, up the ladder. So we want to make this a very big counter for Rupee Boss and a big force to reckon with. You already are a big force to reckon with in your line of business. This could be new for some people. Learning is a never-ending process. Please remember that. And always ask the question. I may not have all the answers. You may not have all the answers. Even bankers who come to us at times don't have all the answers. They get back to us. So any information which you are not sure about, we say, hang on, let's park on the side. We will then get the answer for you. Okay, so let's begin. Trupti, can I start?
Yes, let's begin. Okay. Let's begin.
Like I discussed with you guys, we will cover three aspects of lending: personal loans, business loans, and home loans. The home loans is there are three parts to it. So let's go one by one. Personal loans, the most easiest. We call it the low-hanging fruits. Easiest to pluck. Turnaround time is very good. Disbursements happen from 2 days. From 2 days onwards. It depends how cooperative your customer is and how sure you are on the documentation part. On personal loans, what are the kind of clients we look at? Clients who work for salaried segment, who are working with the private organizations, government organizations, limited companies, and other kind of partnership companies who are that kind of those are the salaried customers. Now, this customer you cannot sell a business loan to. Please be very sure whatever clients you've got. If you've got 50 clients, segregate them into three segments. One is salaried customers. One is one is self-employed normal customer, and third is self-employed professional. Now, salaried is very clear. Self-employed as proprietorship firms, partners, directors, blah, blah, and professionals are doctors, CAs, and architects. So if you can segregate that, you will know what to sell to which person. Like a business loan will not be given to a salaried customer. Okay, just to give you an example. You've got a basic criteria out here, team. It varies from bank to bank, organization to finance company. Minimum net salary is 25,000. By that I mean after his or her deduction, salary उसके हाथ में कितना था सर? उसका salary 1 lakh रुपए, लेकिन he is paying so many installments कि उसके हाथ में 20,000 है. So you will fight with me and Simi and Trupti will be wondering what's happening because 1 lakh rupees salary customer, why can't I give a 5 lakh rupee loan? Because उसके already loans चल रहे हैं, वो he or she is up to their neck by paying installments. The banker or the finance company will also be not very keen to fund that customer. So the first question you must ask the customer, sir, आपकी salary कितनी आपके हाथ में आती है? Okay. Next is the client obviously should work in a private limited company, public sector, government sector. PF deductions are compulsory. At times, there are organizations where PF is not monetarily required. That can be a solution also. That we see case to case. That is getting into a very fine print. If the client is staying on rented premises in Bombay or I mean in Delhi, wherever, then you require a copy of the latest permanent address proof is required. If he say he's from Lucknow but he's working in Delhi, तो लखनऊ का लाइट बिल चाहिए होगा हमको जो उसके नाम हो या पेरेंट्स के नाम पे हो. अब वो भी अगर rented है तो then we got a problem. Then we cannot fund this kind of customer. It becomes a big challenge actually for us. So ensure that you are very clear on some basic norms. CIBIL score.
Why is it rented premises? Because if
Ma'am, okay, today I'm staying at Ghatkopar on rented premises. Okay, I can change my address tomorrow, ma'am. So how will the bank trace me, or the finance service if I skip from there? Where will they find me? I'm from Lucknow, so obviously if I've given a permanent address of Lucknow, they will track me in Lucknow or the road house in Lucknow. अब वो भी अगर rented है, and we have left a place from there, then how will you find me?
So rent agreement will also not work.
No, rent agreement is required definitely in Bombay. If you're staying on rent agreement and the latest light bill is required, which should be in the landlord's name.
Plus the permanent address.
Permanent address proof surely is required. See, we have a lot of cases from the armed forces also. Who are
So nowadays,
like,
permanent address Aadhaar card is okay, na? Because if
no light bill. Aadhaar card, I can change the permanent bill means you own that property. Now, if tomorrow I want to sell the property after 6 months, you and I can't do anything in
okay,
that. Right?
so Aadhaar card will not be an address.
Aadhaar card, no. Generally,
Good.
it's not acceptable, but we have to look at case to case. Some see assured here is what happens both. Some banks have accepted, some don't accept it. So let's keep a light bill as a standard practice. A little latest होना चाहिए. A month or 2 months old. And a lot of them accessible online also. Like today, we had a case where the client had, light bill which was about 8 months old. So we went online and we downloaded that from the system. BST
Okay.
ka tha wo. But the client sign is required on that. Be very careful. Please ensure both of you. Since you are the leader in this team out here, please, and don't misunderstand me. Do not forge any customer signatures on any document.
Yes. That is, we are.
Please, what happens is it goes into RCU, that's the FC unit of the banks or the finance companies. We are penalized 2 to 10% of the proposed loan amount.
So this permanent address issue, you from the team Rupee Boss only verifies it, or the bank?
No. Bank. The lender basically. Let's see, the lender could be bank or a finance company.
Because there are questions on that. Permanent address can be sold also, right?
Yes, it can be sold. आज की तारीख में है. See, madam, आज की तारीख में customer जिंदा है. कल लोन लिया, परसों मर गया. An example, right? I can sell my house after a week, 10 days. That risk is always there.
Okay.
है ना? And क्या होता है? These guys are very
संदीप
smart.
सिक्ची जी, आपको आंसर मिल गया होगा. Anyway, let's continue.
Now, documentation, I will send this thing to you finally, both of you in the PDF, okay, what we are having presentation, so you also have got a clear-cut idea. Customer KYC, what does KYC mean? Any idea, guys? Anybody knows the meaning of KYC? Abbreviation of KYC, what does it mean? Any answers?
Put it on chat, please.
बोल दो, speaker phone on है किसी का?
नहीं, I've
Disabled it, or?
हाँ, muted. Otherwise, then we get all background. Know your client, know your customer. ठीक है. They will know because we have to take KYC for our.
इसमें क्या होता है? We come to standard practice, no? Because I have given training in my previous organization in the Middle East. I've given training session to bank managers of the same bank, and all give me different answers.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so PAN card. PAN card, what does it give you? It gives you basically a date of birth, PAN number, okay, essentially, and the photo ID. Passport copy, if you got a passport copy, kabhi kya hota hai, on the PAN card, the signature is varied because you may have taken a PAN card 20 years ago and today PAN is differing. So please ensure whatever document to give a PAN or a passport, sign the same way. Okay, so your passport take care of the signature, date of birth, your address sab aata uske andar. Voter ID card only gives you only the ID proof. I mean your facial and whatever the house. So essentially PAN card, Aadhaar card and your passport are good to go. Driver license बहुत बार देखा है, driver license पूरा घिस चुका है. So nothing is visible on that. And then the channel partners fighting. Client से मेरे को नहीं चलेगा ये. So ensure that take a clear copy from the customer and take a client must sign on all documents. Please ensure that is done. What is why should a client sign on all documents? What is the reason? Anybody can give me an answer on that? Why should a client sign on all the documents that they give? So, आपको answer मालूम है?
Yeah, it is compulsory so that each page which has been given a attestation that it is you are the same person and this is your PAN card, this is your valid passport. For that reason, compulsory to hai, each page has to be signed.
The reason why, what we tell the customer is, this is the reason I used to give to customers, sir, madam, I'm taking this document of your own free will. That is why you're signing on this. मैं forgery करके आपके document नहीं ले रहा हूँ. लेकिन the actual motive is, madam, sir, if you give me any forged document tomorrow, you will be taken to the court by the banker or the finance company. क्या होता है कभी-कभी कोई channel partner client का sign मारता है document पे. And when it becomes a problem, client बोला सर मेरा sign है नहीं मेरा ये. मैंने document दिया ही नहीं कुछ भी. ये document दिया ही नहीं. मैंने sign नहीं किया document. Then it went to a legal issue. So please be very careful. Client sign all documents. Okay. We've had a lot of fraud in the past in the various companies I've worked with. Okay. Aadhaar card, light bill, telephone bill. Latest 3 months. Light and telephone bill should be not more than 3 months old. Any utility bill. Now you have got income proof. Form 16 Part A and Part B. There are two parts of this to Form 16, A and B. For the last 2 years with ITR, supporting ITR. If the client has got a combination of income, balance sheet, go to the law. But let the client send all documents. Salary slip for the last 3 months, latest 3 months. Then you got the bank statement or passbook from where you can show salary income be credit for the previous 6 months. What we prefer actually is a PDF document from banking, from the pure point that PDF can normally not be fraud नहीं हो सकता उसपे. तो सीधा बैंक के साइड से आता है वो. डाउनलोड करके क्लाइंट का साइन ले लो आप. जनरली फर्स्ट लास्ट पेज पे चलता है. It's like 30-40 pages, or it is your call, but first and last page is normally the industry practice where you take the customer signature. If the client's employment is less than 1 year in the current place he or she is working, then please take the appointment letter also of the previous organization so that we can show at least 1 year in employment, total employment. Now what happens here is, ladies and gentlemen, is that banks at times categorize companies into Cat A, Cat B, Cat C, Cat D, government departments. Okay. Basis on that, like an HDFC has got this category A, B, C, D. The rate of interest vary from 10.5, it goes up to 15 to 16% generally. Like for example, if you see Tata Group would be a Cat A company. Okay, Murli Manohar Pandey LL could be a small little office with about 10 employees. Will be a category D or uncategorized company. So an HDFC for a category D will say, I want a minimum salary of 50,000 coming into the customer account. So these vulnerabilities, I would request these kind of cases, please discuss with Simi before logging in the case or picking up documents. Talk to customer, talk to Simi. She'll help you and guide you. Okay, she's available. Obviously, she will need your support also in this. Please be supportive and answer her queries. She may have some queries to ask you for a client also. So it should be a two-way communication because she is a veteran in this field. She's been in the Bombay industry, in the lending industry for more than 15 years. And I listened to her. Okay. So yeah, obviously.
You have to listen.
Yeah. I mean, it's an open secret because we work as a team. There's no
we have to abide to the rules.
No silos, no
insurance
silos.
Also. For insurance also, we go according to IRDA rules. No, it will not be done. This policy, I cannot do it. It is a no to everybody. It is a no to the joint MD also of the company.
So, client बोलता है, sir, आप 500 रुपए रख लो, मेरा काम कर दो. बोला, thank you very much. Walk out from there.
Yeah, true.
Walk out from there, literally, and report that to your manager. Please understand that. कल को ताकि आपके ऊपर ना है कि client complain करे, तुप्ती आपका बंदा आया था मेरे ऑफिस में और उसने मुझसे पैसे मांगे. Okay, Trupti, be very careful. It happens in our industry. Okay, please be very careful on that.
Right.
Because your person could lose his or her job for no fault of their own. Okay, let's be clear on that. Any questions? There's a question and answer comment. Okay, what Gaurav has written a message. What happens is, okay, should we take the question in the end?
Yeah, I think I told him we'll take it in.
Of course, but keep putting in a question. Good question,
yeah.
Gaurav. Okay, now that is personal loan is very short and sweet. Clients are nice people. A good customer, I'll be very frank with you, goes to their banker directly. Why will a Trupti Pandit come to me to give a loan that a banker is running behind us? Like I get 20 calls a day for credit cards. Now who will I go to? The bank directly or will I go to channel partner? Now yeah, इसमें क्या होता है? Whether the client comes to the bank or to us directly, there is no fees to be paid by the customer for personal loan. No processing fees to be charged from our end to the customer. Whatever happens, that is between the bank and us. So do not charge any customer any processing fees. Okay. Are you guys clear on that also? Okay. Any questions on the list of documents? We will take it in the end. Okay.
Yeah, we'll take it in the end only.
Simi, anything you want to add here for personal loan?
No, I think everything is covered. But in case if anybody comes up with question, so I think that will be solved easily because it's completely cleared. All things are mentioned here.
Yeah, so
I think-
Gaurav Mittal has asked if the Aadhaar card and passport have different address, then what?
होता है, definitely.
हाँ होता है, तो what would be the authentic?
Yeah, no, जो address लिखेगा on the application form, उसके लिए we need one KYC document.
Okay, so KYC document is compulsory.
Yeah, so supposing अगर आधार कार्ड पे पुराना एड्रेस है and passport पे नया एड्रेस है, you put both, no problem. They will verify only with the address was given. Not an issue.
We will just consider the current address where customer is staying. We require that particular proof, and where he is working, we require the same company proof. That's it.
ID card ले लो customer का जहाँ possible हो. Armed forces guys won't give you the ID card because of security reason obviously. But generally clients have got ID cards where date of joining आता है, कभी-कभी blood group आता है. Some things are there. So that lends credibility also to the loan facility also.
पर्सनल लोन में सिर्फ एक चीज का थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए कि अगर समझो इफ द कस्टमर इज स्टेइंग ऑन रेंट, तो खाली आप ध्यान रखो कि रेंट एग्रीमेंट कोई भी बैंक में आज की तारीख में कोई कंसिडर नहीं कर रहा है. सो दे विल कंसिडर द परमानेंट एड्रेस प्रूफ. सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी कंपल्सरी डॉक्यूमेंट. सो रेंट एग्रीमेंट वो एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री रहेगा, जस्ट दैट कस्टमर इज स्टेइंग देयर, but they will definitely go for a permanent address. अगर permanent
I think a notarized agreement would be.
No,
registered agreement. Yeah.
But
अगर समझो अगर जो रजिस्टर्ड एग्रीमेंट नहीं है क्लाइंट के पास, तो कोई ओनर का भी अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल होगा या कस्टमर का जहां पर वो रह रहा है गैस बिल होगा, यूटिलिटी बिल होगा, बैंक स्टेटमेंट के ऊपर वो एड्रेस है, यूटिलिटी बिल, ये सारी चीजें कंसिडर की जाएंगी. ठीक है, बट रेंट एग्रीमेंट वोंट बी कंसिडर.
ओके,
ठीक है. सो इफ द परमानेंट एड्रेस इज नॉट देयर, तो लोन होना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज नो बैंक्स आर कंसीडरिंग टुडे.
Bankers are very touchy now on KYC actually, very touchy. It's a very sensitive topic. And photograph, भाई मेरे को please 20 रुपए का फोटोग्राफ मत भेजना कस्टमर का. We need just student latest photograph देना. Less than 6 months old color photo. So we've had cases where client is giving शादी का photo, शादी में खड़े, bankers they want a passport size straight dead face वाला photo. Okay, now moving to business loans. Now what are business loans? These are basically unsecured business loans where there is no collateral taken apart from the personal guarantee and security checks of the customer. Just to make it easy for you, where you are not running here and there and talking to small time customers, because see, your client base is very big. I'm aware. Obviously, your customer profile, the kind of SMEs you deal with, turnover should be more than 50 lakhs net, and the turnover should be growing, increasing होना चाहिए. मतलब अगर से 2 साल पहले 1 करोड़ था, अभी 80 लाख हो गया, फिर 60 लाख हो गया, then it's a big challenge for us. Decreasing growth in business is a big challenge for any lender today, in today's market especially. Net profit should be 5 lakhs and above, but case to case you can discuss with SEMI also. It should not be an issue. Vintage mandatorily has to be over 3 years. Okay, minimum 3 years होना चाहिए. Some banks, finance companies for some products require even 5 years minimum. Okay, so let's keep it 3 to 5 years, and we require some government document in that. At least home or office, either one should be owned by the customer. अभी आप बोलेंगे सर वो customer का घर rented है, office rented, but he's from Pune. आप लोन दे रहे बॉम्बे में, तो बॉम्बे में ही चाहिए हमको. We do not want a permanent address proof outside Bombay. It should be within Bombay itself. तो उसका business यहाँ पे है ना. अगर business यहाँ पे है, if the business is in Mumbai, the proof of residence or office should be in Mumbai and should be not more than 1 or 2 months old. CIBIL score for personal loan and business loans, 700 super, is obviously very much welcome. Client को you can ask them what your CIBIL score is actually. A lot of clients are aware in this market that it is mature to a very good extent. Because when I started my industry long time back, clients would tell कि बोलना मत कि मैंने लोन लिया है. आज तो client बोलता है भैया बोल दो लोन लिया है मैंने. It's different market is changed altogether. Okay. Business transactions have to be shown in the banking. Cash transactions are difficult because there is at times this is an internal transaction. At times there's no history for it. So banks normally are not very keen on companies who are into cash transactions. So credibility is given if they can back it up with bills, but that becomes a big challenge for you for a 5 lakh rupee loan. See, we can do loans up to 2 to 3 crores also. Where we send the file to maybe 7, 8 different lenders. Okay, because अगर आपको 2 crore का loan चाहिए, your client wants 2 crore loan unsecured. There is no lender in today's market who will give a 2 crore loan with an HDFC, ICICI. They've got cappings of 35 lakhs to 50 lakhs. So what we do is we just don't, once you send a file to us, we study the file, meet up with the client also if required, and then analyze which bank or finance company will accept their loan request and how much will they do. So you may have a situation where I have sent the file to 6 different banks or lenders. Okay, and definitely when you meet up with clients, some पूछते भाई आपने कहाँ file डाला है, because when you the more time the CIBIL is hit with an inquiry, your CIBIL score keeps going down. Because I had a case where CIBIL score 800 का था 4 महीने पहले, he applied in 15 places, his CIBIL score became 600. Because why? He applied left, right, center, and nobody was able to do his case just because of the CIBIL score. Because inquiries means the client is fishing for loan in the market and nobody is ready to give the loan for it. So once you prepare the files, we try and send all the 5-6 files on the same day or next day within a couple of days. So when the lender kind of do civil inquiry, it shows no report, it shows no inquiries. But we have to be sure whether the client is eligible for a 2 crore loan and will he or she or they be able to service the loan for the period of the tenure. So उसको loan चाहिए है, उसको चाहिए है सोना, लेकिन he wants gold. Okay, but you can only give him copper because his income is that. You have 2 brothers who are twin brothers, but their financials can be totally different. So you'll have one brother saying, "So you've done it for my brother. Why did you do it for me?" Be very clear why you can't do it. Any check returns, check bounces have to be justified. EMI bounce in the last 6 months, banks won't accept that. Basically, you should know the entire history of the customer. You should know more than what his family knows. When he get up from his table, he should tell you, or he or she should tell you is, "Madam, sir, you know more about my financial status than my wife or my family knows." That's how in-depth you get with the customer. As you meet the customer, he or she will keep giving you more and more information. Okay. And one thing which one of my CEOs told me, when in doubt, leave it out. Because one case can give you nightmares. Okay. And please, never promise a customer, okay, आपका केस कर दूंगा या कर दूंगी. I am giving you my guarantee. Nobody can give you a guarantee on the case. I always tell the client 2 things, sir. I will never promise you. I will only try, because I promised one person in my life, and what happened? I got married to her. So be very careful on your wordings that you use, because you are an organization. You represent a big organization in India. You have to be very careful with your words with the customer. You are not a channel partner who's got a small little thela and is running around. Okay, you are part of a huge organization, so you have to maintain that respect and dignity for your organization, for your team, and for your boss. Because client को escalate करने में कोई problem नहीं है. सिर्फ एक email लिखना आपके boss को, ये आया था इससे बदतमीजी की, मेरे को लोन नहीं करना, और they file a police complaint also भी हुआ है. So be very careful, be very clear. Okay. This all I'm talking because it's from my own experience, which I've seen a lot of boys, kids lose their job. Okay, be very careful. Unsecured loan, normally the tenure is up to 3 years. Loans are provided to business people without security. So you cannot give this product to people who are working, who are salaried people working for organizations. Some criteria, it depends on the financial profile of the customer, whether they are able to pay the installment that they want to take the loan for. See, you are funding a customer today based on past history. But when you meet a customer, you definitely get an idea. I mean, when you walk into a customer office, okay, look around, see the condition of the office, see employees are happy, sad. This will come with experience only. At times, believe me, when I was young, obviously, when I used to go to a company and all, I stand with the pan wala down. ये कंपनी में जाना, अरे साहब बहुत अच्छी कंपनी है, तो अगर पान वाला डाउन gives you feedback, believe me, that's a very good feedback. Trust me, he or she is a very good barometer for you. So you can, I mean, that's your call how you want to do that. Then credit a reputation from the market. You can kind of, you may get a referral from Supti. He's a very close friend of my husband, for example, and doing very well. So you have got a basic rep check from Supti. End user fund. Now I am taking over 50 lakhs. Why you want the money for? Sir, I will invest in stock market. I will invest in mutual funds. There goes the case for a 6 outside the window. Simeji, any imports on end user fund? Very, very critical question. Which the financial bank credit person is going to ask your customer.
Yeah, here I can add one more thing here. When you ask the customer end use of funds, in the sense, say what a salaried customer agar rahega, and if that customer says ki, I want this loan to start some business, तो case जगह पे ही reject कर देगा credit manager, saying that the money cannot be used for any new startup. Okay, this money has to be used for the personal. If there is a business loan, it should be for business itself. Okay, so we need to give the information to the customer, educate him. Ki like whenever the credit manager especially asks to the customer, they have to tell ki he's using this money for his existing business to get grown up, and what in good terms of saying that to expansion or for the material for something like that, but they cannot start for any startup for the new business or any investments. That should the money should not get used in the investments also. So this because in the PD many cases get rejected due to these reasons. So that's the reason.
I want to buy a car. That's the reason. Out. Cases finished there only. So you're taking a loan for business purpose, not for personal use. So just give the client a feedback on that. Normally clients know. Given a loan, they already know what questions the credit manager is going to ask, or sales manager may also ask. And loan repayment ability. A client will be वही मेरे को तो 5 करोड़ लोन चाहिए लेकिन उसका टर्नओवर है 50 लाख. We can't do anything in that. He or she should be able to service the loan. We don't want the client to become a defaulter. Okay, I mean that also will come with a little bit of experience. Cash what hai? Cash is not king here. What is in the bank statement, that only will be counted by the bank for their income calculation purposes. Whatever more information you can get about the customer profile, that always has to be ordered. So at business vintage has to be 3 years. So if the startup, okay, what happens? The situation is that Asad Askari has started a company 1 year ago. Okay, doing very well. I have got turnover of 5 crores. Okay, already. Can I get funding for that? Probably no. But have you asked me a question that आपका और कोई business है क्या in the same kind of line? Yes, I've got a business that's 25 years old. Very good. So we show this gentleman has diversified into another company for whatever reason, and he's got an existing company which is also doing very well. Based on that, banks will take a call. Now, customer segment, very important for you all. So this is a homework for the weekend, for your team. Whoever can do it, okay? Aaj Friday, hai na? So few of them you can maybe talk on Monday or whatever. Is that have you identified? Maybe they may have 30. I don't know how many clients your channel partners or your colleagues will have. If they can identify them into salaried, self-employed, non-professional, and self-employed professional, so they'll be able to target them. It's a learning process. Okay. For this particular segment of business, unsecured we call it, non-professional basic owners or proprietors who are partnership company के partners and directors in private limited company. Self-employed professionals we call them SEP. SCPL loans get this, SCPL loans, okay, are doctors, architects, CS. Now, HDFC, for example, have got very, I mean, not the HDFC, couple of banks have got very good pricing on loans to doctors also, okay. So that and the pan India level. So we have obviously HDFC supporting us. We've got online portals also where we can help the client and we can get the loan done. Normally HDFC loan login hota hai and disbursement is online also. Number of times there's technical glitch also where the customer is going to sign an agreement if required because site is not working on some technical error. So as far as possible in HDFC, the entire process normally is for logging in the file is online, but we have to submit the physical document signed by the customer. The application form has to be signed and sent, but disbursement process can be done online. So sign the agreement, NASH form is not required. We've had one case actually for last 1 week where Simi was struggling. I mean, it's not her fault. I mean, nobody's fault, but everything was hunky dory in HDFC. Last day, there was a technical issue. So client had to wait and then finally sign the agreement, physical agreement, give us security check. And please, ladies and gentlemen, always when you meet the customer in individual loan, sir, aapke paas security checks pade hai? Do you have a checkbook with you for security check? Last minute we come to know, last day of the month for disbursement and the client does not have any security checks. Okay, ensure the client has already asked for it, pre-ordered it, and sir, I'll go take it from a bank right now. Bank will only give you a blank check with the account number stamp. Your name has to be there on that. Please, it should be printed on that. So ensure that a client, be it a company or be it an individual, have got their checkbook with them. A bank offers something also 1 up to 5 to 6 checks also. So just be alert on that part. Okay. So we are clear on the customer segment, self-employed, non-professional, and self-employed professionals who we can give this kind of loans to. Now this is a list. It will look very lengthy and boring, but unfortunately we have to run through this. I'll run through this a bit quickly. So proprietary form we require KYC, PAN, Aadhaar card, passport. Address proof is latest. Ownership proof. Light bill hai, company naam pe or personal naam pe. Office proof means he's got a business. What's the proof of that? We need that. Okay. Shop and certificate, GST certificate. We normally banks accept that, or they even accept the bank statement. Okay. Which shows an address proof. At times the bank must, if you don't have, if you're giving us a bank statement, we may need 2 sources of address proof. Okay. Now it is possible that on the GST certificate you have got 1 address proof, but you've changed the location. So the client can go online through the CA and add a branch in the GST certificate. That takes from 2 days to 2 weeks also. Last 3 years, company financials are required with UDN number. UDN number is given by a CA through their own CA. For all ITRs, some assessment is 1920. That is mandatorily required by all lenders now. GST certificate, 3 page ka minimum hota hai with last 12 months GST form 3B. GST is for form 3B is form 3B. Udyan certificate. You have got something called MSME certificate, both separate. Udyan certificate is now required by all lenders. So client can apply for it and give you a screenshot or a printout and apply for the certificate. So by the time his loan is getting disbursed, that certificate will be issued to him. That will be required by the bank or the finance company. Last 1 year banking चाहिए, so all the accounts, current account, savings account है, in all PDF. Any loans taken, sanction letter, statement of accounts है, कुछ any loans going on, whatever facilities सबका तो sanction letter चाहिए होता है. That is what is required. If you go to client at one time, give this list, na, and I always add a disclaimer in this. When I write this mail to a customer, any other document / clarification is required, we shall communicate the same to you. At times the client may say, Trupti may say, sorry Trupti, I'm taking you as an example, don't misunderstand me. Trupti will say,
no, sure.
तुमने मुझसे 10 डॉक्यूमेंट मांगे, मैं तुम्हें 10 डॉक्यूमेंट दिए, खत्म, इससे कुछ नहीं दूंगा, मैडम ये डॉक्यूमेंट बैंक में मांगा, sorry. So you always please request that whenever you send an email of list of documents required to customer, add a line, if any other document / clarification is required, we shall communicate the same to you. Finish. It will help you out. Okay, and don't take the customer for it. अगर client उसका business नहीं हो रहा, loan नहीं हो रहा है, उससे नहीं होगा loan आपका. Be very clear, because you should not lose your other business for this. Okay. Okay, am I okay on that part? What I meant, because obviously you have got a core business, and this is your second line of business. Okay. If I'm going too fast, please stop me. Huh?
No, you're perfect.
Now, generally, if the partnership maybe like if it's a proprietorship, documents are nearly the same. Partners का सब KYC चाहिए हमको. If the company is taking the loan, company PAN card, registration proof चाहिए हमको, address proof, 3 years financial, UBN number, financials for the partners for last 3 years. Partnership deed चाहिए हमको, registered partnership deed, GST certificate with last 12 months, GST form 3B. Now, what is the form 3B? Why is it very important? Because that shows the customer's intent to pay the taxes on a month-to-month basis. Now, to give you all an idea, if अभी चल रहा है November, today we are sitting on 6th November, okay? So, for the previous month, October, GST has to be filed by 20th of November. You may have a situation where the client is delaying it. ठीक है, 1-2 दिन 4 दिन. I've got customers who have not paid the GST for last 6 months. It is very simple. You can go on the GST website and check. Okay, Form 3B and this thing. You can just as an example, go to Google, type GST payment. You go, you'll open a file there. It'll ask you. You can go to drop down, search customer by either the GST number or the PAN number. From that, if you follow the table, you will get an idea as to client has paid for last 12 months. GST 1 is the turnover for declaration, that is followed by GST 3B. At times, the client may not be liable to pay 3B because they have to export. So that clarification it will show in the exempted. So that is also one thing which you can check with us. Udyam certificate, please understand, is very important. Without that confirmation that is applied for it, the bank will not even log in the file. So all your SME customers, please request them who are your corporates, who are non-individual customers, ask them to all register for the Udyam certificate. I will send you a video. I'm just making a note of this video for Udyam, okay?
Yeah, actually, I was going to come. What is Udyam certificate?
Yeah. Udyam is the father of MSME certificate. Bada bhai. Okay. Which is a new weird requirement of the bank, but that actually client has to put in some financial details in that. It can take some time, could take half an hour, but once they get a confirmation that it's been registered, the client should give a copy of that. So when you send to bank or the finance company, you have already applied for, normally it takes a week, 10 days. So by the time the process of disbursement happen normally, but then it should come. All sanction letters, statement of account of the missing loan from the starting should be given to us, which helps out. Show the credibility of the customer. Client बोले कि मैं साधु संत हूँ. Yesterday I met a client, Vashi, very good customer. Now he told me, sir, मैं तो साधु संत आदमी हूँ. मेरे सब loans are going very good, but I have got only one loan which is going good, which is for a delay उसमें. Now when I went in depth and checked with the 4 lenders who I know very well, उन्होंने कहा सर इसका हर महीने check bounce हो रहा है since last 12 months. Client is right. I paid everything on time. I paid everything. You not only not paid it on time, also be very careful. Go into details at times. So after time to pay check, you can see the bank statements also. Agar, for example, my EMI is due say on 10th of November. Check for last 6 months on 10th of every date. You may have a gap, maybe 10th, maybe 11th, or 12th, maybe holiday or something. So just for your own idea, just mark it out. You can ask the customer. Because see, the client is taking a loan, maybe, I mean, a normal client would take a loan once in a while. This is our daily business. Like you're into mutual funds, into investments, right, Trupti?
Yes.
Correct. That is your baby. That is your, I mean, at 2 o'clock in the morning also, if I wake up, Trupti, call him, Trupti, you'll give me an answer. Right? Same for the customer also. He or she is expecting that you know everything. Don't know everything, call us up. Don't give a customer wrong answer. Okay. I mean, we even make mistakes, I'm telling you. We even call up bankers. I will tell you tomorrow. But ensure you call up the client and give the information before the client calls you up. That is the biggest thing, because you are you are doing a very tough job at taking money from the customer. Of course, I mean, hats off to your entire team. In this market, if you're taking funds from a customer, you're lending, okay? Taking a liabilities is, I mean, a big challenge in today's market. Lending is our forte, and it will become your forte also. You will make mistakes. Nobody's perfect. Bankers make blunders, not mistakes. They do blunders also, but they kind of manage somehow to get this thing done. So at one time, you give the client list of documents required. He or she make them clear. Her case, the photograph was required only. So I will mention that because obviously photo is required. That is mandatory, color photo, and should be latest. Don't give me a 1-2-year-old photo like which is shadi wala background, as I call it. And banking, all banking take in PDF only. Okay, download karo, uska first last page client ka sign le lo as far as possible. every client we will, I mean, most of the Bombay-based clients obviously try and meet. We are located in different locations that I will tell Supri later. She knows this, so we will work on that also. I'm going ahead to take
Yes, please.
yeah. Private limit again. The only difference is that the KYC of all that CMCO PAN card of the company that again should be 3 years old at least. Registration proof, address proof, financial for last 3 years. That is the same. Hey, articles MOA is required and board resolution at time with the bank if the loan has been taken by the company. GST certificate with last 12 months GST form 3B, Udian certificate again required, sanction letter, last 1 year banking in PDF. Take all accounts, current account, OD account, whatever account to put in the company name. The client may have more than one bank account. How you can come to know? If you just see his last year financial bank, bank balance. At time, we only show in one bank. It will show schedule, attach schedule 1 or schedule 10. You go to schedule, you'll see he's got 4 banks there. There's a bank balance, kahin pe 1 lakh, kahin pe 50,000. Tell the client, so you only give me one bank statement. I want all the 4 bank statements, 12 months. Ka. So client will say, oh, this person is really knows his or her job. Or best person to should be with the accounts person. They will know everything inside out. Okay, I'm going ahead now. Who are professionals? Professionals are basically doctors, architects. Are classified the banks as in these categories. Again, KYC is required. Office address proof, 3 years financial level up, UDI from 2019-20 onward, which is given by the CA. UDI number क्या होता है? UDI number basically every time the CA goes on the ICW website, okay, and they enter this particular ITR, they get a unique UDI number. So if I'm logging the file at Axis Bank and HDFC, दोनों का UDI number will be different, okay? Please make note of that. Every time the guy hits on UDI number, it will change. He has to write which bank. So when the bank checks, I give you the UDI number to say Axis Bank of HDFC, they'll say it's not matching. Okay, and if it's a company on the financial, take stamp and sign of the debtor or the partner as the case may be. And if it's a doctor, for example, take their qualification certificate. Doctors have to renew their practice certificate every 5 years in India. So if you want to show a vintage of more than 5 years, take all the previous years. You can get the client to sign on all documents. If it's a CA certificate is required. If it's an architect gets a certificate for degrees. Loans taken, anything that's common again, 1 year ka banking le lo. GST certificate, jahan applicable hai, you take that, okay? That's how we.
Lawyers can be given.
Madam, क्यों मेरी नौकरी के पीछे?
मैं जानबूझ के पूछ रहा हूँ lawyers का
नहीं मैडम, बहुत चैलेंज है वो. करते हो सकता है. We do not know because lot of banks don't. Police वालों को नहीं पता. Like I remember when I was in ICICI Bank auto loans, I used to head Bombay for car loans. We used to give auto loans to IPS officers, IS officers. जो 2-star, constables, we do not give them. So the repayment culture may not be there, or like no, आप जाओ. I've been to just to make the thing a bit lighter. I've been to Kala Chowki police station to meet a senior inspector there. Now, I gave a loan to him not because he's a cop, because his wife had got 15 repayment tracks with us. He got a transport company. Everything was perfect. The fear factor, he took me down with the hammered G suspects. क्या प्लान है सर आपका? नहीं सर, आप बैठो, चाय वे पियो, मस्त एकदम ऊपर डिस्टेंस बहुत होगा. वो लोग पीटोगे नहीं मेरे को. डोंट वरी सर, आप तो हमारे बंदे हो. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, चलो जान बच्ची मेरी. So be very careful and learn to say no. Learn to say no and learn to be honest and truthful to the customer. Like I'm repeating once again, sir, मैं आपका लोन 2 दिन में करा के दूंगा. You are committing suicide for yourself. Sir, the bank is saying 5 days. I'm saying 10 days to you. I'm very happy with that as a customer. So if I give a loan in 5 days, you're happy? Yes. If I tell you 5 days and give the loan to you after 1 month, how will you feel? Probably I'll want to shoot you personally. So you lose the mutual fund investment of the customer, plus you lose this also. Correct? How many of your clients, I'm telling you, Trupti, if कोई भी आपका senior sales का बंदा है ना, who's handling a decent sized portfolio, okay, say investment of 5 crores or 10 crores, the amount of business that person is in loans is given outside, you'll be shocked and surprised. अरे आपने बताया नहीं आप लोन्स करते हो. मैं तो लास्ट वीक ही होम लोन लिया है. मैंने 2 हफ्ते पहले ही बीटी कराया है मेरा. तो आप सर पकड़ आ रहे हैं, मैंने क्यों नहीं किया इसका यार, मैंने क्यों नहीं बताया उसको. Why didn't I inform the customer? If you don't tell, the customer will never know, because he or she got so many options, so many calls coming in every day. So communicate with your customers in the right manner, with the right temperament and right attitude. It's very important. Okay, and see, remember one thing, it's a very touchy topic. आपने मैं आपसे इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने आपको दिया, मैं चेक 5 लाख का, वेरी गुड, यू आर हैप्पी, आई एम हैप्पी. लोन्स की बारी आई, व्हाट हैपेंड? बैंक ने फॉर व्हाटएवर एक्स वाई रीजन दे डिक्लाइन द प्रपोजल. So tell the client, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, we will put our best effort, but it's on all of the bank or the finance company. मैं कुछ करा के दूंगा, मैं बैंक से करवाऊंगा आपका काम, अगर होगा if you're eligible, you will get the loan. So I don't want a situation where Putri call him and say, Asad, वो loan नहीं हुआ, इसलिए उसका he moved out 10 crores of the investment. No, be very careful. Whenever required, involve the seniors also. If you need us to come with you, we'll come with you. I mean, wherever possible. In Bombay, obviously, but other locations are there where we have got people who are stationed. Reaction time may vary, obviously, because they are busy with their own work, and for them also it's a bit of a challenge. Total location में एक आदमी होता है, he or she can't run everywhere. But we try our best to update you all on the system to see whether your API is there. No, so जहाँ तक हो सके, let us you, me, and Simi have maybe a phone call once a week or a Zoom meeting once a week going forward, and get it done. Simi, I put that onus on to you when you want to give, because already there are 3 other councils that I'm handling with my colleagues, where the volume of business is very high there. So every third day we have a phone call. So I want a level to reach where it goes region wide. Like, I'm having a different. Supti is speaking to her team in Calcutta, in West, in East, in South, in Central. So, India की बात कर रहा हूँ. I mean, it will be a personal, challenge and a personal success for me if I can make together maybe 100 crore channel disbursement. It will not happen overnight. It will take time. It will need the support of all the people who are participating in this event right now. See, ताजमहल बनने 20 साल लगे सर, हमको 20 साल हमारा टाइम नहीं हमारे पास. I'm giving time till March to scale up. To at least we should target to see at least in March we should book at least 20 crores of business. Okay.
Team listening ना?
हाँ जी, नहीं, लोन्स की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. अगर आप फाइल डालेंगे दिसंबर में, तो आपका फाइल मे भी शायद फेब में बुक होगा. Work with that time frame. Okay, for home loans, business loans and PL move very fast. So 20 crore आप खुद को challenge yourself ना guys. Break it up segment wise. भाई देखिए, एक आदमी तो 20 crore नहीं कर पाएगा. If you got 6 files of say 3 crore each home loan, हो गया आपका काम. At least the number turnover is met, no? Payout भूल जाओ फिलहाल. At least that टिंग करके घंटे मारोगे, अपना हो गया सर मैं 20 crore मार्च में. In my previous organization, there was a very big channel partner who, being an area head, I was handling the channel myself. When I met up with them, they were doing about 2-3 crores a month of business. When I met the owners, I told them,
so give us some time. So, we have just started, March. So we will definitely scale it up.
See, I'm throwing a challenge. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. I'm a challenger.
Even I'm ready for it. I have even insurance also on my head.
खत्म बात वहीं पे. अरे मैडम, क्लाइंट को छोड़ो ही मत ना, उसको इंश्योरेंस चाहिए, उसको लोन चाहिए. At one day, if they can do it, it will be very good. Okay, that believe me, that extra income that the guy will earn. I mean, he or she client will thank you, because you are not you are not a channel partner. That I don't use the word. आप समझ गए.
We have to even do home loan, no? You're taking.
Yeah, I got. Okay, so this documentation.
And we need even the rate of interest and repayment, whatever.
Madam, let us go for documentation. We'll do on that. We'll have on this. Home loans is basically type of home loan, resale, where I am buying Supti's flat, for example. That is an example of resale. Or Supti is buying my apartment. Okay. Builder purchase, that I am buying a property that is being sold by a builder. And you've got something called under construction builder purchase. Now, when a resale happens, if Supti is buying my apartment, right from the developer stage, when the building was built till today, till me, all the entire chain agreement should be there. If a builder purchase OC normally required or approved plan is required, under construction builder purchase में क्या होता है? If I go to a banker, that project has to be approved by the bank. So when you go to such kind of customer and he wants to purchase the properties under construction, ask the client to check with the builder APF क्या है, approved project finance होता है, which banks are finance approved. So if we know, say, for example, Lodha, from Lodha XYZ, Goregaon में उसका building ready हो रहा है वहाँ पे. When the customer goes, obviously he or she will be told by the builder's person that our project is approved by ICICI, HDFC, Fullerton, by India Bull. So client will inform you. So we'll put the file accordingly there. It moves faster there. Customer segment, everybody I can do in this. सभी आ गए, इसमें salaried आ गए, professionals आ गए, non-professionals आ गए. This is who kind of home loans and customer segment. Simi, anything you'd like to add in this?
Nothing great. Like, I think everything is covered. If there is any doubt, please put it in the chat now.
Eligibility. Okay, now I want a loan of 5 crores, but my income is not sufficing. So that will have to be EMI also. So be very careful with that.
Just a second, Assaji.
Yeah.
Just a second, Assaji.
Yeah.
Trupti, we have we have made this PPT just for the knowledge. If at
Right.
all for this team, like if they are new to this, product, then it's okay if they don't check all this. Only thing is the income part, just take care, and the loan amount and the basic knowledge, like the market cost of the property. It should be we will fund, like when they go to the customer, definitely they are going to ask कि आप क्या दोगे, कैसे दोगे. So that time we can check on that कि सर आपका प्रॉपर्टी का कॉस्ट क्या है, टोटल कॉस्ट, ठीक है, और आप उसका एग्रीमेंट कितने का बनाने वाले हैं. तो हम लोग एग्रीमेंट का देते हैं 80 to 90%.
Simi, the property
Right,
cost
right.
will be as per the
Yes.
market rates, right?
Yeah. As per this. So market cost, we will give the LTV of 80% and the agreement would be the 80 to 90. Now some banks go for 80 and some banks go for 90 also. So it all
Yeah.
depends. So you can tell the customer the range between, and whichever the amount comes, whichever is lower side, we can give the disbursement amount to that customer. So this is just a basic knowledge for them to tell the customer basically. So these all checks has been done like by me only to the customer. But for only for your knowledge, you all can just go through it.
Now we have got something called type
Yeah,
of
Sajid,
property.
over to you.
Yeah. Type of property. What is the kind of property? Is it a घर है, कि bungalow है, कि is it building है पूरी customer लेकर? वो कभी-कभी क्या होता है? I have done a deal where a client has got 3 flats. It's a single building with 3 flats. So we've done 3 separate agreements for the customer. So be sure as to what is the kind of property. Is he buying Pagadi? Pagadi property we cannot finance. Nobody finances the Pagadi. I hope everybody understands Pagadi का मतलब क्या होता है. It is owned by a landlord, and landlord takes a cash transaction and the customer pays like maybe 1,000, 2,000, or 5,000 rupees per month rental. That we cannot fund at all. Very important is age of the property. Normally age of the property from date of receiving the OC should not be more than 60 years. क्या होता है इसमें कि supposing it's a 20-year property and I want a 30-year loan. So it's possible because 20 years the property old हो गया है, 30 years the loan period, for example, and the life of the property is 60 years as per technical report. Technical report may also show 100-year life of the property. So you're okay. So at times you may have that problem also, which we faced in the past also, where the client's loan was sanctioned, but because of the age of the property and the condition also, we could not go ahead with the funding, unfortunately. SRA was the SRA project, slum rehab project. Forget that, we do not do this kind of that segment of customers. Building has been demolished and the customer is picking up 3 flats under SRA. So please do it. Thank you very much, sir. We will not do it. Let him go to some court and find something. It's a big challenge for us. Location of property. Where is the property located? Is it located in town, the suburbs, in some gully, in some jungle? Literally, I'm using this word because we had this kind of weird request from customers. So be very careful whether is it accessible by road. What are the conditions around the building? LTV ratio, basically, like Simi said correctly, is agreement value or market value. Agreement value is I'm buying a property of 4 crore, but the agreement is only 3 crore. The banks may fund up to 90-95% of the agreement value or the market value, whichever is lower. The bank also plays safe. So the agreement value is 3 crore, but market value is 4 crore. So they'll work out a midway. Then obviously you can see the customer profile, what the customer is into, income, business, that history of the customer. They take a call, but at times they get adamant also. you and I can't do anything on that. Now what happens is we normally request the channel partners that we would like to log on the file at least 2 banks or finance companies. The reason being, uska plus and minus hai. Minus say the client ends up paying the processing fees 2 times initial. Banks normally charge 10,000 plus GST as the login fees, of which they take 50% in advance today, and 50% is on disbursement. Okay, that's a secondary story. So client बोलता है मैं इतना पैसा क्यों भरूं साथ में? The reason is that your file may get declined at one place, not another place, so we'll save time on that. Or alternatively, both banks may approve property, then we have a chance to negotiate with both the banks, where I am getting at one bank a rate of 7.15, other guys giving 7%. So I can kind of negotiate with both the banks, and kind of get a deal for your customer without impacting our commercial. So a lot of clients have said this, 2 बार पैसे क्यों भरो? भैया तुम ले रहे 4 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी, 6,000 भरने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Even we have a challenge, I'll be very frank. But then when the case is declined and the client is jumping on head, I wish I'd listened to you. Now when you go to a doctor, okay, when I meet a doctor, okay, I tell him, sir, when I come to you, you tell me take this medicine, do ask any question, बोला नहीं, so let me do my job, no. I'm telling you this, आपके ऐसा होगा, 2 जगह फाइल डालो. Doctor will give 2 medicines, पर आपको शायद सर्दी है, आपको बुखार है, he'll give both the medicines. Something will work for you. But in this case, you are the expert in this industry. I have a dentist in my building. I mean, I'm in town. So when he was buying a vehicle, I told him, don't take this vehicle. नहीं, तुम क्या जानते हो, German vehicle, this, that. Okay, go ahead, man. He bought the vehicle very happy. It's a very good vehicle. After 3 months, when I went to him for some tips, I wish I had listened to that time. I said, sir, you're a dentist. It is your profession, job, and I'm not arguing. I am an expert in this line. Listen to me. Bola, theek hai. Aage se, when I went to Middle East, also honestly, to call me up. I'm buying this car. Should I buy it or not? Bola, yeah, go ahead. Even today, he listens to me. He's a good friend of mine. Tab se he's started to listen to me. So eligibility is again like, banks, her bank finance company norms are different. Okay, there's no barometer we can say, okay, I'll fund only 80%, I'll fund only 60%. So there are various barometers which we can figure out over time, because obviously we are comfortable with, with a particular set of bankers also. Now, what is important for us as means to get the loans done is how strong is the banker, the RM in the bank. Ek hota proactive, ek hota reactive. Today, one banker had come to us. He's a very close friend of mine now. So I told him, you don't pick up my calls, boss. He said, नहीं, क्या बात कर रहा है? मैं तो फिर करता हूँ. वो लगा लो challenge. I showed him my call history with him. He kept quiet. I said, this is feedback I'm giving. You're a friend of mine. If I'm calling you up today, if your customer is calling you, loans में funds के लिए भी, investment के लिए also, ensure you pick up the call or you return back the customer call. I mean, I'm seeing youngsters nowadays being very, very quickly. Again, I'm talking to open forum. I don't know who are there in this. Please return your customer call there. Tomorrow, if you is a customer and he don't pick up your call, how will you feel? Secondly is be on time for an appointment. Be there 5 minutes before the appointment. Plan your day, plan your meeting accordingly. Don't, I mean, when it's raining, it's going to take 1 hour to reach. Keep a 1.5 hour gap. Be there on time to meet the customer. You need the customer does not need you at all. Please keep that in mind, okay? Now we have got home loan, valid customer. KYC again is very similar to your personal loan. PAN, Aadhaar card, driving license, light bill चाहिए हमको, income चाहिए, very similar to what we are giving for personal loan. Form 16 for last 2 years, salary slip 3 months ka. In the your salary slip credit must match your bank credits also. If there's a mismatch, client has to justify it. So कुछ promotion हुआ है in the last 2 months, the salary has gone up, take the promotion letter. Whatever you can take, which is justified. Your file should go in one shot and get approved. That is the logic. One shot, single shot login. Next, it should be the PD, personal discussion over with the credit person. Legal tech cases got to go for legal and technical. Legal means where the property cannot be legally mortgaged with the bank. Technical means is the building technically sound, is the chain agreement okay, is the approved structure in place, for which the experts are with the bank or the finance company. They are in fact, the RM also may not know so much about the legal technical, then they have a specific team for that. And the beauty of it is if a bank has done a legal and technical case, both you be rest assured your property is very safe. Okay. Self-employed, again, KYC of the proprietor, address proof, ownership proof, office proof, लाइट बिल चाहिए, 3 years का फाइनेंशियल आप ले लो कस्टमर से, यूडीआर नंबर फ्रॉम द सीए, लास्ट 12 months बैंकिंग पीडीएफ में. Your client may be into contract and take contract copies, anything that work orders are going on, current for last 3-4 months, वो ले लो आप. Sanction letters पहले के loans चल रहे हैं. Now in home loans, I will okay, partnership firm, again similar document here. If I'm going fast, please just stop me in the slides, because documents are quite similar. In partnership firm, only addition here is you require the partnership deed is required, GST is required, partners criteria चाहिए हमको. Normally home loans are taken by individual partners, not by company, because क्या होता है, when a company takes a loan in their name, they end up paying prepayment charges, which is not applicable if the loan is in the personal name. Okay, a lot of clients directors take the loans in their personal name. Documentation wise, everything is same. Prior again, directors का PAN, Aadhaar card हो गए, company के documents हो गए, office address proof, financials, directors criteria, articles demo, GST certificate, sanction letters. Last one is banking. Now what happens out here, ladies and gentlemen, is you have got a home loan, which is broken up into a home loan where I'm buying a property either from a builder or I'm buying a resale property. I've got something called HLBT. I've already got existing loan running at a higher rate. I'm not happy with the bank, so I want to do balance transfer from, say, India Bulls, for example, to maybe an Axis Bank where you're putting in the file. Okay, so it's called a HLBT, home loan BT, balance transfer. Now, my property is worth 4 crores, for example. My outstanding there is 1 crore with, say, India Bulls as an example. I'm eligible. I want to do a home loan BT balance transfer from India Bulls to Axis Bank. Plus, I want some more money to renovate my house or to buy another property. So I can go for top up also. It's called HLBT, home loan BT plus top up, where based on my eligibility, on the same property I can get maybe 2 crores or 2.5 crores based on my income and LTV. So it's called home loan. Home loan basically I'm buying from a builder. Price purchase ho gaya. Yeah, I'm purchasing somebody's property. Or thirdly is I'm taking balance transfer from another lender. Uske upar I'm taking a top up also. Now under construction properties pe top up nahi hota hai generally. It is basically on ready property, ready to occupy, ready to move in properties where client already has staying and has occupied that place. Okay. Maybe you want to add something in this before I go ahead?
No, only loan amount we need to take it, like, for BT minimum 25 lakhs and above only we can do, not below that. Even home loan, the criteria of that only, that's home loan minimum 25 lakhs and above. Loan against property minimum 25 lakhs and above. Below amount we will not be able to take it. So only that much.
See, the challenge out is why we're saying this.
I think you have covered APF, na? APF you have covered?
Sorry?
You have covered APF?
APF वाले पहले आ गए ना वो.
You have covered APF?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a passing.
Yeah, no problem.
APF is not in their hand, na. APF they have to check with the builder as to which lenders are approved. Okay. Now out here, Trupti, why Simi is making this statement 25 lakhs, because the effort taken behind a loan size in Bombay especially. Okay, for example, maybe if you go to Baroda, okay, Baroda, I have been there. Where pe average loan amount is 10, 15, 20 lakhs because the property prices are very low there. So the average ticket size there is low. Plus, that also happening. So the effort taken behind 25 lakh rupee loan or a 25 crore loan also is the same. Documentation, everything is the same. So it's the effort and the output. Because client के पास अब 4 बार जाओ 6 बार जाओ, it's a cost not only time, the effort taken and the money spent. 25 lakh का loan के बजाय if you do 1 crore loan, that will help you take obviously your client won't do it, but we prefer a particular ticket size, and if still there's an issue you can talk to us. Okay, I'll go ahead now. Property documents. When you're purchasing a property from a builder, please run this documents. One original copy of your agreement with the builder should be there. Allotment letter with draft agreement or copy of registered agreement for sale should be there. Copy of registered development agreement. That the builder will give you all this. Generally, builder will give you all these documents. Okay. काफी लंबा list है. Technical things are there. There are lot of documents required which a builder will give you. Not worry about that, or the customer will give it to you. Resale, when I'm buying somebody else's property, previous chain of agreements with stamp duty registration index to copy of draft agreement means I'm buying Tupti's properties. There has to be a draft agreement between Tupti and me for the legal part. Technical is separate, legal is separate. For legal to clear, the wordings of the document should be very clear in that. Copy of share certificate, both, I mean, the property bank of Tupti. So currently the flat is in her name or joint name. So the share certificate normally shows the original owner's name and piche ki taraf aata hai who are the current owners. So we take copy of both sides of the property documents, OC copy, OC's occupancy certificate, and CC's commencement certificate. In case OC is not available generally, then approved plan is required. If there are any amendments in that will appear in the CC. CC is commencement certificate. Society registration certificate, latest property tax bill paid certificate, light bill, maintenance bill, and NOC from society is required upon sanction that yes, society has no objection that the property can be mortgaged or hypothecated to the bank or the finance company. In loan against property, documents are the same. Basically, loan against property essentially is your own property that is either free or LAP. LAP means loan against property, which again is similar to home loan. But this normally is that आपकी property free है against which you want a loan, or you have got an existing loan going on under LAP with another lender and you want to move it. We call it LAP BT, balance transfer, and you can also do a top up on that, subject to the income norms and the entity norms of the bank or the finance company being met. So out here normally you have got residential properties, you've got commercial properties, offices, सब कुछ है. सबका the amount of funding it varies. Like commercial property normally 60% तक होता है, 50% भी होता है. Lenders do it. Aggressive guys do not go to do 65-70 also based on the market value. And at times the bank will do two valuations also based on their policies. Okay. So whatever is there should not be generally a 10% deviation among two valuators, or they take the lower of the two, and that's why we go to fight. Normally, clients जब मिलते हैं ना, you must ask them, sir, आपका property का market value क्या रहेगा? Clients normally know what is the market value of their property. So this will give an idea as to how much funding that person has. अगर बोलते हैं 4 crore की property है, and if it's a house, so you can take 75% of that. So 3 crore will be eligible. Now, उसके ऊपर does income, his income norms meet. Now you may club the income also. Husband wife दोनों के income club कर सकते हैं आप, and you can look at funding. Maximum funding is normally up to 30 years. Bank to 10 years से 30 years तक होता है. Depend on the customer profile, the income, the age of the property, other factors are there in that. Other factors become a very broad term because you have to leave some place for negotiation. The banks charge processing fees also. There's something called EM and RM, equity mortgage and registered mortgage. Equity mortgage charges is stamp duty paid to the government. In Maharashtra, I'm talking specifically, is 0.2%. At times, the registered mortgage is required in a desperate situation where the charges are 0.5% of the loan amount. EM is called equity mortgage, and RM is called registered mortgage. 0.2% of the loan amount or 0.5% of the loan amount is what is paid, obviously to the government. You have got processing fees charged by the customer, by the banker, can range from 25 paisa to 1%, 0.25% to 1%. Then you have got Sarsai, which is charged by the government 100 rupees plus GST 118 rupees that goes to government again. And you have got stamp paper notice charges which the customer has to bear, obviously, and either the client does it or you get them for the customer. So this is then you got something called balance transfer, obviously, like I told, existing customer to new lender. What documents are required? I have got a loan, for example, going to Axis Bank. I am not happy with the rate of interest. They're charging me 7.9%. Okay, now what will happen here is, moment I apply for a LOD, list of documents, the bank will call me, sir, why you want LOD? Are you moving your loan? Well, yes, I'm moving my loan. No, sir, wait, we'll give you a better rate. So if the rate today of say an Axis Bank is 7.1%, they will immediately offer me that rate, and the case is gone from your hand. So we had a lot of cases in our organization, not only a lot of places where we have taken a disbursement check to the bank to close the loan, and the bank has called up the customer that time and said, sir, pay us 1,000, 2,000, what a basic amount, and we will give a rate to you lower than what you're getting. This now come to the bank with a check as well. Case cancelled. So till the time the existing when a loan is going on, that bank or finance company does not accept my check, disbursement check, the deal is not done, sir. Please keep this in mind. So moment the client is interested, tell him, sir, your rate is 7.9. It is possible your banker may give a counter offer to you. Are you still ready to go ahead? So the client has to call up or send an email to the respective lender for list of documents, portfolio letter, and statement of account. SOA it's called, and that takes normally 15 working days. The moment you are talking to your customer in discussion, sir, please apply for the list of documents, foreclosure, and SOA, statement of account. Now, SOA, why we are starting is because in case of balance transfer, normally banks prefer that your loan should be more than 24 months old before before they can do balance transfer. Now you may have a case where my current loan, I've already paid. My current loan is with Axis Bank, which I've paid only 10 installments out of say 180 installments. But I had moved this particular loan from LIC where I had paid already 25 EMIs. So you have to give me proof of both that already the loan more than 24 months you paid already total LIC Axis Bank dono mila ke. So banks will look at that. But be very clear in that with the customer. So LOD, foreclosure, SOS statement of account that is required from the bank. Now, bank in today's court situation may not send a hard copy to the customer, may send an email. So the trail mail of that with the attachment has to be sent to us or to the banker. So proof that this is a genuine document. Or if the client is giving a hard copy, they require the original to be given at the time of disbursement. So please be very careful on that. So BT is called BT, balance transfer short form, either it's a home loan BT or LAP BT. And this ends the presentation as of now.
Team, now you can write your questions on the chat box. There are two, so let's answer that.
I saw this. So we missed a few ones before that, no? Yeah, customer. Okay. Can we go to Simi? Sorry, do you want to add something in this, Simi?
No, I think now the questions should come up if there is any confusion, so that we can clear the confusions.
We have more questions of loan repayment percentage and what.
Okay, let us go to answered first of Gaurav Mittal. Simi, what happens if a person has a different address on the passport and Aadhaar card, which I think we've already addressed that, right?
Yeah, we have already addressed that.
Yeah, the new passport will consider current address to send the documents.
Second question, I didn't get it. Loan repayment is what? You are talking about the rate of interest?
Loan repayment percentage.
Okay. So individual, I think product rate of interest we can give you.
Okay, now the personal loan rates vary from 10.5% to go to 30%, depends on the finance company or bank. Okay. Now, if a client is working for a Cat A company, obviously the rate can be 10.5, 10, 11% normally is the base rate. You can take it as 11% reduced balance. As an HDFC will charge 11 to 15% with Cat A to Cat B company. They have got loans separate norms. Business loans start from 16%, go up to again 30-35% because this was financial. If NBFC is doing it, the rate of interest is quite high. Business unsecured, I mean, same hi ho gaya wo. So essentially, there is no. We can tell you, every month the bank may change the rate or a thing. So you've got you've got a range. Say for a personal loan, which Subodh has asked a very good question, I think, Semi, where personal loan will 11% normal to 30%, depending on the lender that we're going to. Business again is unsecured, so obviously the rate of interest will be higher there. 16% is shuru hota, it goes up to 30-35%. So Simi has done some cases at 35%, right, Simi?
Yes.
And then processing fees also, which the bank charges can vary from 1 to 2% to 3% also. Anything you want to add in this particular question of Mr. Das?
Yeah, wants to buy land. Is there a loan on that? Okay. Loan is on the constructed property. Okay. We or other banks, no banks are nowadays funding on the plain plot. There should be a boundary. So the basic point is that on the constructed property, we can give you the loan. So there is no way out for that.
Now we have this question of Gaurav Mittal. Can we do BT as well? I think Gaurav, we've already answered. Which type of loan can be transferred? What grounds in general? Maybe you answer this question.
When Mr. Rakesh is not cleared yet, means to buy land not for construction. So that's what I'm saying. We don't give loan on the plain plot as well as for construction purpose. These construction loans are taken place by the nationalized banks or some cooperative banks. So we are not partnered with them as such. So we can give you the loan on the constructed property.
We are giving, Sudipo, we are giving flyers. We are passing on those flyers. We are working on it with Prabhudas Leeladhar's logo. So we will be sending that shortly.
Is this available in J&K? What does it mean? J&K.
Jammu and Kashmir.
No. Jammu Kashmir we don't do.
Rohit ji, aapne, what about revenue part generation? Means what you mean by that question? If it is regarding the commission part, we will discuss later. You can call me or you can call your RFM.
Please ask any question that you feel is pertinent or it's a very funny question.
You have to, Simi, send us the presentation on the rate of interest also, like generally which banks charge.
Dhruti, we can do one thing. We can now we can give you the chart. Like we can share you on the mail
Yes.
the chart which gives the starting rate. Okay?
Right.
Mr. Rohit Agarwal has put up the question.
I answered it.
Yeah.
I answered it.
Answered. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's one. I have answered him. It's regarding the commission. So we do only flat means, sir, Sai Yadav, it is not for a land, a plain land, no loans are given. A flat or a house, independent bungalow, for that only home loans are given. We can't do construction loan.
So that will normally happen maybe I'm sorry to say, maybe it happens in a small location of town where the local banks
Asad, there is one question. Is NPA AC loan account loan can be done in Shahjahanpur Up Educational Institute?
Again, sorry, ma'am. That question?
No. If it is an NPA account, we cannot do.
No, we cannot do it. Normally,
And Simi,
NBFC
just tell the process, like once you receive the lead, when do you call and do you do
please
answer
second time call and all?
The first call is mostly done within 24 hours or the same day itself. The second time, like first time if it gets ringing or something, then we immediately try for the same day only, second time. Then third time, then after that, if the phone is not, picked up, then we put up the message. Then again, the last option is I have to put in the group that customer is not, responding. So please help kind of. So
Okay.
process we follow. 3 to 4 times we ring the customer, but mostly I think customers are in, at least from PL, all the datas are good, like in fact last few days I'm seeing like the quality is also coming up with a very good,
Yeah, we have sent emailers.
Guys, I have one request to the entire team. Prabhudas Leeladhar is part of our organization itself, sir. Okay, so we are on the same side. Jhagade mat karna, sir. Please request the team members. I know it is very frustrating when you're sitting with the customer and you want some question to be answered, and the person Samula is not picking up the phone. It becomes a big challenge for us also. That you are getting frustrated, because for me you are a customer. You are sourcing business for us. So for me and for Simi, both of us, you are our clients. आपके clients आपके clients हैं. Do not lose any customer. You will be surprised. Just call up any of the 10 customers today at random, and you'll come to know कि उसने already loan लिया है 3-4 महीने पहले. फिर आपने सर फोड़ोगे, बारे क्या किया मैंने. Ask the question. मैं डैड बोलते बेटा पूछ लो. पूछने के पैसे नहीं लगते हैं. There is no charges to ask the question. So ask the customer. Referrals लो. Take references. You won't believe, today I was discussing Trupti in the morning. We had a training with a banker, and my CEO told me one thing. In the last 2 months, HDFC personal loan has disbursed 500 crores. You know how? Only on the references that are right in the application form.
Oh,
They have called up those customers. अभी आप सोचो ना, एक फॉर्म में 2 references लगते हैं. Okay, if there are 10 lakh files that disbursed in the last month, means they've got free data of 20 lakh customers.
Thanks a lot, Asad, and
thank you very much,
Simi, and thanks team for joining.
Thank you very much from the Leeladhar team. I really appreciate this. Our office is fantastic. I've been there once.